Oh man, why didn't y'all tell me about this sooner? This right here, look, I wish I would have knew earlier. Well, you did kind of tell me, but I didn't listen. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how I got the deal of the century on this, and we're gonna unbox it, go through it, maybe do some preliminary things. So until then, let's go. What had happened was, all right, every good story starts with that, but for real, what had happened was I saw the Mic Mini on sale on Amazon a couple weeks ago. And the set with the charging case, the 2 transmitters, and the receiver was only $99. I had about $85 in coupons and gift cards and stuff. So I used that and ended up paying only 20 bucks. But I need to tell you this. All right, come here, let me tell you. I use this app called Fetch, and you play games on your phone and stuff like that and earn points, and then you turn it into gift certificates for Amazon and other places. If you're interested in that, I got a link down below that can get you and me some points. But anyway, so I play the games all the time, build up the points for situations like this. This is how I get expensive gear for the low. So what had happened was, saw it on sale, used the gift cards, got it for 20 bucks. That's it. So let's talk about what comes in the box. Now, the first thing you will see is this. This is a nice little carrying case. Seems like, I don't know if this is like regular fabric, seems like it might be weatherproof, but there are some things when I looked at other people's reviews that they don't talk about with this case, other than the size of it. But check this out. I'm gonna flip it inside out. Look. There are like little pockets and stuff right there on both sides to hold all of the materials. So everything can fit in this one case. Love that. All right, what's next? You get these. So these are a bunch of like windscreens, and they just clip right on the top of the transmitters. You got them in white and black, and then you got them in straight black. Oh man. Now they give you a couple different ways to connect this. Now, the first is this. Now this is the 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter. You can plug it right into your DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. And the other end connects to the receiver. Now on the receiver itself, there is a USB-C connection for those things, but we'll check that out in just a minute. Also, there's a charging cable for the case because the case itself houses everything and it charges all of the batteries. Look at the star of the show. It's this. This is the charge case. Now, if you look, it has the DJI branding on the front and the charger on the back. Now, what I heard other YouTubers say, and what I think is also cool, is this little release latch. So look, you just get it and you can click and release and it opens up and you're greeted to everything inside. Now, once you get inside of there, you have the 2 Mic Minis. So let's take a look at those. So you pull them right out, 2 Mic Minis. Each one has an additional magnet right on the back of it. The magnets are very strong, so you can stick it on like just about anything, especially if you're wearing thicker shirts or jackets, it can magnet itself right to that. This is the receiver. And like I said, the receiver has a USB-C connection. If I can get it out of here. Ooh, they made that not to come out. So this is the USB-C. There you go, and it slides right onto the bottom of this. Now, the cool thing about this receiver is that there is a volume control knob, a gain control knob right on there, and it's manual. This is what I really love because the manual connection is so much better because I like to twist knobs rather than push buttons, and it's very easy to use. Connect this to your camera, smartphone, anything like that, and you are good to go. Now, let's go talk about these microphones and some of the specifications and things you might need to know. There's a lot of specs out there, a lot of things people talk about, and most of it, if you're buying this, you don't even need to worry about it. So we're not even gonna touch on it. I'm just gonna talk about the important ones. Now here's the first one. This is an omnidirectional microphone. What does that mean? Wherever you put it, it's going to pick up all around it. So you don't have to like turn it towards your mouth and do funny things. You just put it on there, it's going to get you. Now the next thing is the distance. All right, let me be honest with you. Distance is not really that important. I think it's there to show how it will hold up to interference and things in the middle, but this can go up to 400 meters. And if you don't know, I'll do the math for you. That's about a quarter of a mile. Do I have to test that? No. Am I gonna test that? Yes, I am. So I can't wait to get to that part. In the next video, you'll see that. Battery life. You can get about 11.5 hours on the transmitters and 10.5 on the receivers. Now, the charge case recharges all of that. So honestly, if you put it back in the case, you'll never experience these things dying. It is equipped with fast charge. So 5 minutes worth of charging in this thing can get you an extra hour worth of time. So if you're out in the field and doing these things and the battery's going dead, plug it up for 5 minutes. Take a power bank with you or something. Plug it in, go do something else, set up your next shot, come back, you can film for the rest of the session. I mean, you got a whole hour worth of time off 5 minutes. You can't beat that with a bat. This does Bluetooth audio and it can connect via USB-C. So you can use, look, you can use any of the Osmo stuff like the Action 4, the Action 5 Pro, the Pocket 3. It can connect via Osmo audio directly to it. But also, look what else you got. You can use it with your phone, Android and iPhone. I have connected it via Bluetooth to my phone. So that works. Plus, you can either use the receiver and connect that to all of those things too. So it has you covered. The transmitter itself, man, it's about the size of a quarter. So look, you got the transmitter and then you got a quarter. They fit like right there. Man, it's small, but it is well put together and I'm not afraid to drop this or if something happens to it. The magnet itself is very powerful. I don't know what type of magnet it is. Maybe I had to search, but it works like a neodymium magnet and it just goes right on and it's two-sided. So, and it's small, just like everything else. So you can't lose it. So look, this receiver right here is about the same size as many of the transmitters from other brands. So look at this. I have a Rode Wireless Pro right here. And the receiver on the Rode Wireless Pro, which I'm using it right now, is about the same size. So this is the transmitter, right? This is a receiver for the Mic Mini. So if you look at that, it's about half the size. The manual knob on here is very good. It's nice and clicky. It goes in stages and it gives you that satisfying sound when you turn it. I really like this case design. The case design, you can fit the windscreens on there if you like to do that, and you don't have to carry around a lot of separate things. I can wrap the little cable around and stuff it right in the top. Everything fits, all in one thing. Now, here's my quick tip for you. If you are a solo creator and you have one of these kits with 2 of these transmitters, put the windscreen on one of them and then don't put the windscreen on the other one. So that way, if you're outside and you need the windscreen, you don't have to fiddle around with it. You just pull the one out that has the windscreen on it. And then if you're on the inside and don't need it, it's already prepared. Here are some Q&A. I found some questions online that people may have about the Mic Mini. Number 1, can I use this with my iPhone or Android? The answer is yes, because you can plug the receiver right into both of those and use them. And I have been able to connect it via Bluetooth to my Samsung S24 Ultra, so that actually works. I'll show you that in the next video. How do I know which mic to use? Well, you just pick one. Just pull it out and use it, because both mics can be connected to the receiver and they both can connect via Osmo audio to all of the Osmo things. It doesn't matter, just pick one. This person says, what if I forget to charge it? Recharge it. It's easy. Get the one with the charge case, right? You can slip it back in the charge case and they have you topped off in no time. Or you can plug them in and in 5 minutes, you can get 1 hour worth of usage out of it. This person says, will this work with my camera? The answer is yes. It can work with your camera via 3.5 millimeter cable or with other stuff via USB-C. So it works with all of that. It can connect to everything. Okay. This person says, can I record 2 people at once? Of course you can, because there's 2 mics in this kit. Either you can use the one mic and have both people talk, or both people can have 1 mic apiece, and one to be on the left side, one to be on the right side. There you go. So here's the last question. Does the Mic Mini do internal recording? Unfortunately, it does not. If you want internal recording, you need to get something like the DJI Mic 2 or 3, or one of the offering from Rode or somebody else. This is built for run and gun vloggers, content creators. So if you're just out there, you can record directly onto your device and then you can upload it right away. So that's it for this video. On the next video, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go out, we're gonna test this microphone in different environments that you might use it in. And you know what I gotta do? I'm doing that distance test. And you know what else? We're gonna connect this to our Osmo Pocket 3, and we're gonna connect it to our phone too. And we'll see how it all sounds, and I'll show you how to do all of that. So if you wanna see that, please subscribe, and that way you'll know when the next video comes. So that's all for me. And you know, as always, I love you and God loves you too. Y'all have a blessed day.